Hey guys, Bobby here today, and we are working on our 2.5 liter Ford engine. And I have a very quick little tip here that I want to show you that could be a problem. Okay, a lot of people overlook this, but I want to explain what I'm doing here. These little dowel pins that go in the top of your block, okay, that help you, that you slide your head gasket on, then you put your head, it helps to dowel everything in place. Sometimes these can actually stick up too far and they can keep your head gasket from actually being torqued down properly and have the right amount of crush. And I want to show you today how you can check that, okay? So stay tuned. All right, first of all, we're going to take our veneer caliper here and we're just going to quickly mic our pin, okay? And it looks like it's 700, about 760,000. So let's write that number down right quick. I just have a little block of wood here, 760. We'll just make a note of that right quick. Okay, now let's go over here to the block and take a measurement. Go right over here, Nathaniel. Nathaniel's my camera guy here today. So here's where the dowel pins go. And what I'm gonna do, like on a veneer caliper, you can take you can open it up and this tab here will start coming out. This actually takes a measurement too. So we're going to hold it down here, bring the camera down so I can see what I'm doing. We're going to open it up. We're going to take a reading down to the bottom of where that dowel pin would go in this block, okay? And it looks like, hang on just a second, right there. And that looks like 222,000. So let's write that down. 222. We'll write that down right quick. And then let's go over here to our cylinder head, which is up here on the bench. And we're going to do the same thing right over here and take a reading as well. And it looks like our reading is 529 thousandths, okay? 529. So let's write that down. Now let's add these two numbers together and see how it matches up to that. Okay, those two numbers add up to 751 thousandths, okay? Which is actually less distance than this dowel pin is, okay? So that's not a good thing. Now, also keep in mind, we have to add another 50, I think 52 thousandths is the thickness of the head gasket, okay? But that's still a little too close for me, all right? And the reason I'm bringing this to your attention is because our machinist machined our head. He resurfaced the head. I don't know how much he cut off of it, you know? And that's why this is something you definitely want to check, especially when your head comes back from the machine shop and it has been machined, okay? Or if you've had your deck blocked or whatever, you definitely want to take this. So what we're going to do now, we would probably be okay because the thickness of the head gasket is probably not going to collapse that much. But to be on the safe side, I'm going to take my roll-out grinder or my bench grinder. I don't know which I'm going to do now, but I'm going to grind probably 50 thousandths of an inch off of each one of these, okay, before I put it together. And I will actually do that grinding, and then I'll put the little bevel back on there to where they'll tap into the block easily. But guys, I just wanted to make this quick little video and make you aware of that, okay? And the reason that I'm aware of it, there were certain cars back in the 90s, I believe it was the Dodge Neon, they had head gasket problems. And the biggest problem was that Chrysler had the dowel pins a little too long from the factory, I believe is what they ended up saying. There was a bulletin or something on it. And so when you put a head gasket on these cars, you were supposed to grind the pins down a little bit. And there's been a couple other cars over the years as well. So this is something you definitely want to always check when you have any machine work done, okay? Because the fact that that machinist, you know, he could have took 50 thousandths off of here or what. So that makes it to where this is going to stick out 50 thousandths of an inch further than it did before. Okay. Just want to bring that to your attention, guys. This works. This is for any car. This is not just for the 2.5 liter Ford engine that we're working on. This here would be a rule of thumb on any engine that you're building. So thanks for stopping by today. Hope you found this content helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And check that description down below for some links to some cool stuff. Have a great day. Bye-bye.